In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best free now discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for free now discount promo code. Right here, go to this website and we'll have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get the discount. I'm just waiting a little bit for the website to load up. Okay, so this is the website, and right here we have the strict promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want right here to get this one with 25% of your first ride, all you need to do is select your code from right here, and you can copy the promo code and you can apply on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Basically, you can use it on your first ride. I'm just going to wait right here for the voucher to load up, and I can copy right here, and I can copy the promo code from here and use it on my first try to get that discount. Uh, Also, we have this website right here. As you can see, that also provides us with some promo codes that we can use. For example, right here, if you want to get this 50% of your first two rides, you can simply select get code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy and apply this one on your first two rides in order to get 50% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.